Hey everyone, want to compress images using GIMP without losing too much quality? In this video, I'll show you how to reduce your image file size step by step. Yeah, whether you're uploading images to a website, sending them by email, or saving storage space, this guide will help you create smaller image files. First, open GIMP on your computer and load the image you want to compress. Click File, then Open, and select your image. Once the image is open, you're ready to begin. If your image is very large, consider resizing it first. Click the Image menu and choose Scale Image to reduce the width and height if needed. Smaller image dimensions usually result in smaller file sizes. Next, click File and select Export As. Choose a compressed image format such as JPEG or keep PNG if you need transparency. Then click Export to continue. If you're exporting as a JPEG, GIMP will display quality settings. Lower the quality slider slightly to reduce the file size while keeping the image looking good. Finding the right balance between quality and size is the key to effective compression. You can also enable preview options if they're available to estimate the final file size before saving. This helps you choose the best quality setting for your needs. Once you're happy with the settings, click Export to save the compressed image. Choose a location on your computer where you can easily find the new file. After exporting, compare the new file size with the original to make sure the compression meets your requirements. So you can repeat the process with different quality settings if you want an even smaller file. And that's how you compress images with GIMP. By adjusting the export settings and image size, you can create smaller files while maintaining good image quality. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy technology guides.